So made a new tool. Guess what's inside this bubble wrap? Hello everybody, welcome back to Do Metal Stuff. In today's episode I'm gonna show you what I've made. Got my test indicator stand with my test indicator set up on my surface plate, and I'm gonna show you the cylindrical square I've made on the lathe. So I added this sound because when I was filming this last week, my mic battery was low and didn't record the sound. So here you can see I'm trying to see what's the difference between the front and the back, the left and the right side. And at the moment I am touching at the bottom side and flip it around to see the back side. Then it's not touching. Resetting the DTI to see the difference. And it's almost 25 hundredths of a millimeter. And I'm gonna do some work on the bottom side of this thing. So because this side was touching more than this side, it means it was hanging over that way. So I need to take off on the bottom side of this side, and this is how I do it. Pushing it forwards and pushing it downwards on the low spot, so I can tilt it. When I'm doing the work on the bottom side, I've got a viewer's question. The man lives in Australia, down under. A subscriber of my channel sent me an email and asked me if I know someone with a Butler 18-inch crank shaper, but I don't know. So I suggested I could ask my audience for him. He has a few questions and he wants some help with them, but I couldn't help him. Maybe my subscribers, my viewers can help out with this. So I have a few photos sent to me. Here's his shaper, the 18-inch crank Butler shaper. First question is, how old is this shaper? When was it made? Here is the photo with the serial number. It's made by WNS. It stands for Wait and Saville. I hope I pronounced that okay. The number is 17940. And the second question is about his clutch. He has a clutch problem. It's slipping a little bit. So here's a photo of his clutch. Maybe someone knows how to adjust or fix the problem. Please put your answers in the comments. Or if you are a shaper owner, a Butler shaper owner, and you want to get in contact with the viewer, please mail me and I will set up the contact. So this piece is a leftover piece of my straight edges. The thing is 210 mil long. Around it ended up around 49 point something, but the diameter isn't interesting. But as you all know, it was a square material, and this is how I get to this point. I started off on this side, the bottom side, placed it straight up in the mill, made it sort of kind of round, and make this chamber in here with these nice pie point thingy pieces. And this little boss here, it lies a millimeter lower than the edge it's touching the table. And I made this center point in here with a little come along position point for the pin. When that was done, I grabbed it on here in the lathe and made the center point on this side. Then I turned the leftover material, what was square on this side, to be round. Then I made the fixture for this side to be held in the 3-jar chuck with the little come along pin, and keep this one into the tailstock. And then I made the thing parallel front to back. When that was done, I polished the whole thing with aluminium mandrel thing that wraps around here with some polishing material. And as you can see, this is cast iron, but it's shiny. It looks nice. So it's pretty darn flat, and it looks cool. So it's now perpendicular and ready for use in the shop. So redirecting the cylindrical square, what I did was placed a glass plate onto the surface plate and grab some 80 grit sandpaper, started with that, and then I picked up some 320 because that's what I have lying around. And after that I picked up even smaller bit of 1000 grit paper. So that is what I used for redirecting the angle of the dangle. So let's check it for the last time. So the left side reads 0. Bottom side reads 0. Right side reads 0. Now the top side. reads 0. So I'm pretty happy with this. So thanks for watching and see you next time.